Hey friends, Christina here with the Messy Cookie, and today we are going to unbox our cookie kit. All right, this is what it looks like when you get it in the mail. We have got all sorts of goodies inside. So right off the bat, we've got a nice little welcome note here to you, and that has specific instructions on using the kit and a note from your baker. Right off the bat, you can see from the label here that this is our box of cookies. Oh, what's this in the back here? We have our cookie decorating tools. So this has our piping bags, little spatulas, along with sprinkles right in there. We've got, a nice little thing to tell you more about us and the Messy Cookie. And what is this? Oh, this is your copy of our signature recipe. And of course, all this frosting here in the front. This is how you end up receiving all of our frosting. You get 3 ounces of each color. This was for our summer kits this season. And we get a nice little card here. And once you're ready to open up the cookie box, this is one of our favorite parts. It's how we make sure that all of our sugar cookies arrive nice and safe. And so you have 4 sugar cookies. You can actually open these right up. They tear right open. And we have 2 cookies in one, 2 in the other. And with everything you see here, from those sprinkles to the cookies and the frosting, you are bound to have the most awesome team building experience. Thanks for unboxing with us today. See you soon.